Today's recipe: Ramadan special. Bread, chicken balls. Simple and delicious. You can make and freeze for months. Oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Stir and fry, few seconds. Add shredded chicken, 1.5 cup. Stir and mix. Soya sauce, 2 teaspoons. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Chopped green chili, 2 teaspoon. Carrots, 1/2 cup. Green bell pepper, 1/2 cup. Cabbage, 1 cup. Onion, 1 cup. Mix. Salt to taste. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Ketchup, 2 tablespoon. Hot sauce, 2 tablespoon. Mix well. Add cornstarch, surely. Stir continuously. Add coriander leaves. Mix. White bread. Cut brown sides. Deep with water. Squeeze water out. Cook chicken vegetable mixture as required. Make a ball. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Can be freeze up to month. Fry. Flip. Nice and golden. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.